Hello friends, so today we're repotting a cactus I got like a week ago. I wasn't able to get a name for this particular plant. I know it's a mammillaria and it's one main plant and it's grown 3 pups. And I'm gonna leave this all in one pot. I'm not gonna separate any of these. I think this would look good in a pot as a family of cactus. So we chose this blue terracotta pot, 4.5 inch. I'm gonna start off by adding the screen. All my pots have drainage holes, so things get messy if you don't add a little screen, a little protection. And we're just gonna fill up the bottom with pebbles. This will help with drainage. Add a little cactus mix. Because it's spring, I'm gonna add a little fertilizer too. This is just some rooting hormone, just added protection for the broken roots that occurred when you remove the old soil. Protects against rot. A little Osmocote. Some slow release fertilizer. And let's get started. This is somewhat of a dangerous, spiky plant because the spikes on here are so thin that whenever they come in contact with you, they tend to break off, and then they're so small they're hard to see. Very painful. Especially if you can't get to it right away. Sometimes you don't see them and it feels okay. The next morning you wake up, you got sore fingers. And you gotta dig them out. Not any fun. Whenever I deal with a plant like this, what I like to do is use this old up tissue. It's like the kind you get with gifts in the boxes, wrapping tissue. Whenever you plant, you always want to try to center the plant in the middle of the pot. It looks good, and I think the plants grow healthier that way, away from the side of the pot. This way the plant has a little room to grow. If it's right against the side of the pot, then it tends to start growing crooked and just doesn't look good. Little perlite got stuck in there. There you go. Okay. And then we're just gonna top dress it. I think maybe a white top dressing might look good with this plant. Where's my white? There we go. These are very good looking plants. It's a green plant, but the spikes are bright gold color. It's very attractive. Okay, well, what do you guys think? Mama Mammillaria and two good sized pups and a little one just coming up there. These are the spikes that I was talking about. See how spiky that is? And they're so thin. So go out and get a cactus. Great plants, easy to care for. Just be careful you don't get poked. So there you have it. Thanks, I hope this was helpful. If anybody does know what exact cactus this is, leave me a comment, I'd appreciate it. Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe.